Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do an unboxing and review of the ProBreeze 20-liter compressor dehumidifier. Let's look at the functions. You have a child lock, timer, fan, and set percentage. I think you can set how humid you want it to be, speed and the mode, power and display. So there's plenty of features. It also has a handle so you can transport it around, you see. Take a look at the back. Oh wow, this is the water compartment. It looks like that's the intake. So it's gonna filter so that the water doesn't have any kind of dust. This is the water tank. I'm pretty sure this is the water tank. That's 20 liters capacity.
Oh no, then
it looks like you're gonna pour it out from here.
Yeah, and there's an indicator here.
Oh, there's an indicator here. Okay. Let's turn it on. It's working. It's working. Let's see in 3 hours what is the results. Oh no, I can see it here. Hey, that's quite a lot. It's this much full. I'm gonna take it out and let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go there and pour it out. Let's see what's the result. Of 3 hours, what's the humidity that was removed? It's not a bad result. So what's your review?
It's very good.
All right.
I'm gonna buy again.
Okay.
I'm gonna buy one more.
Okay. All right.
5 stars out of 5?
Yeah.
ProBreeze, 5 out of 5 stars.
Would recommend to friends.
Would recommend.